Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily teleport from the Garden Valley to the Full Harvest World or vice versa in Grey Garden 2 game of Roblox latest update. So guys, a new world has been released in Grey Garden 2 and it's called the Full Harvest World. And if you want to teleport to the Full Harvest World, there are two methods. The first method is using the Explorer method. Just go to the Explorer, talk to Ethan, and then you're going to choose the world that you want to teleport. Now I'm at the Full Harvest world, so if I want to teleport to the Garden Valley, just click on this menu. Or we can also use this menu in our garden. Okay, you'll see the event worlds and then you're going to click on travel and simply click on the world that you want to teleport or to travel. Yeah, just like that. But for the easier method, I think you can use this method, guys. Go to your garden and select this menu. And okay guys, that's how you can teleport from the Garden Valley to the Full Harvest World or vice versa in Grey Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!